Hi, I'm HAFIZ and good morning to everyone. Today I will briefly introduce business to business or B2B e-commerce and its role in Malaysia. First of all, what is B2B? B2B is a form of commercial agreement between companies such as a manufacturer and wholesaler or a wholesaler and a retailer. It's not for individual consumer, only business are involved. The goal is to grow Malaysia digital economies. Second, importance of B2B e-commerce. B2B e-commerce is important because it supports SME by providing digital platform. It helps business work more efficiently and collaborate better. It also encourages more investment in Malaysia e-commerce sector. Third, market growth. The B2B user base is expected to grow significantly from 2024 to 2029. There will be an increase of 8.1 million users. That's about a 75.91% rise. Fourth, B2B strategy process. In the strategy process, task committee are involved in planning. They focus on meeting business needs, working with partners and service providers, and managing daily operation. 5. B2B sale and decision making. In B2B sale, business make long-term decisions based on data and performance. They need detailed info and good internal coordination. And most importantly, strong customer relationships are key to success. In summary, B2B e-commerce is growing fast in Malaysia. It supports business development and helps the digital economy thrive. Next, let's now look at why online platforms are important for business to business or B2B transaction. First of all, sell and grow. Online platforms boost sales by making transactions faster. They also allow business to handle more orders and increase profit. Second, streamline operation. This platform help automate tasks and reduce error. They make ordering and payment quicker and more efficient. Third, wider market reach. B2B platform connect buyer and seller around the world. They allow transaction without needing to meet in person. Fourth, improve collaboration. Online tools help business partners across countries. They also support sharing knowledge and creating value together. Number 5, better product visibility. Product and service are easier to find and compare online. Clear and attractive listing help attract more B2B buyers. Number 6, customer interaction. Social media and online tools help business understand what their customer needs and respond quickly. And number 7 is customer solution. Some platforms offer custom solution to meet complex buyer needs, although this can be costly and time-consuming. In short, online platforms make B2B transaction faster, easier, and more global. They help business grow and stay connecting with their customer. Now, I will introduce the team behind NEXORA and their main responsibility. Chief Executive Officer, which is CEO. Our CEO is HAMIZAH binti FAIZAL HANAS. She set the company vision, mission, and long-term strategy. She oversees the overall direction and growth of the business and represents NEXORA to external stakeholders. Next, Digital Marketing Director is AINA NABILAH binti ROHAIZAM. She developed B2B digital marketing strategy, handle social media and advertising campaign, and ensure marketing goals, meets company objective through market research and trend analysis. Next, Accounting and Finance Director. This work is held by NURHIDAYATUL HUSNA binti ZULKEFLI MAHAMAD. She handles budgeting, financial planning and reporting. She also manages cash flow, bank statement, and implement financial software to improve efficiency. And the last one is Administration and Compliance Director. Our Admin and Compliance Director is SYURAH HAFIZ binti Zulkefli. She is responsible for daily admin tasks and internal operation. She ensures the company complies with legal and industry standards and oversees staff training and program certification. In summary, each team members play an important role in making NEXORA successful, from leadership and marketing to finance and operation. Now, let me explain to you about NEXORA, a company focused on digital training and upskilling for business. First of all, our mission is to provide innovative, industry-relevant training. We aim to help companies adapt digital tools and grow sustainably. For the vision, NEXORA vision is to become a top-tier B2B digital learning provider. We want to transform organizations to modern and flexible training solutions. And the four objectives, we have two main objectives, which is first, to launch certificate digital upskilling program, and the second one, to help companies close skill gap and stay competitive. Next, for the target market, NEXORA target other business which is B2B that need to upskill their employees. We support their digital transformation and help them gain a competitive edge. For the business idea, our business idea started from digital skill training at University Utara Malaysia. We focus on building technical skill and digital knowledge. In short, NEXORA empower business with the right digital skill to success in today's fast-changing world. For this time, I will explain a little bit about target market and industry analysis. First of all, the target market and industry analysis. Our main target market is the corporate learning and development department. We are focusing on the early growth phase, the first 5 years, to build digital skill. The goal is to improve employees' digital competency for better competitiveness. And the second one, digital skill offer. We offer practical digital skills such as Excel for data analysis, social media basis, Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and LinkedIn. This training help boost productivity and help employees adapt to new technology. And the third one, market insight. Market research is important. It helps us understand customer needs and spot opportunity. According to Kantar 2023, this kind of research gives company a competitive edge in the market. And the last one is the key insight from figures. In Malaysia, over 19% of people have mastered digital skills. According to DOSM, there is a clear trend towards a fully digital society. This shift, driven by Industry Revolution 4.0, is changing employees' role and responsibility. In conclusion, high digital skill leads to better efficiency and stronger competitiveness. And in summary, our strategy is aligned with industry needs and digital trends, ensuring our service remain relevant and impactful for the employee. Okay, next, I will continue about market size and growth potential. First of all, B2B market important. The B2B market is very important as it drives innovation and brings higher revenue opportunities. To success, companies need to conduct deep market analysis to predict future demand accurately. And the second one is the market growth. The e-learning market in Malaysia is growing fast. In 2024, it's valued at 3.57 billion US dollar. By 2030, it's expected to reach $16.16 billion. There is a strong growth rate of nearly 29% per year from 2025 to 2030. And the last one, key driver of growth. Some key factors driving this growth are high demand for custom e-learning solutions in 2024, a rising need for digital skill across industry, and NEXORA's its ability to meet those needs with relevant service. And the last one is the insight. Research show that digital skills are crucial for success in today's job market. E-learning help improve productivity and keep companies competitive. NEXORA empower the workforce with effective digital training tools. To sum up, the market potential for digital learning is huge, and NEXORA is well positioned to tap into this opportunity.
Good morning everyone. Today I will briefly explain our platform selection for NEXORA's B2B e-learning services. As digital commerce grows, selecting the right platform is very crucial. B2B e-commerce reached nearly 31 trillion globally in 2023, 5 times the B2C market, showing how important it is to have a powerful digital foundation. We compared 4 major platforms. While Alibaba.com and Tencent are great for physical goods and domestic tech respectively, they don't fit our digital service model. G2 is excellent for visibility and leads, but lacks backend subscription control. AppDirect stood out. It's built specifically for managing subscription-based digital services. With automated billing, integration with LMS and HR system, and scalability via the cloud, AppDirect perfectly fits NEXORA's needs. That's why we selected AppDirect to drive efficient operations, reach global B2B clients, and support long-term growth in digital learning. In this section, I will walk you through NEXORA's value proposition, what makes our platform stand out in the digital learning space. NEXORA exists to help companies equip their employees with the digital skills needed for today's fast-changing workplace. As technologies like AI, cloud computing, and data analytics evolve, workers must constantly upgrade their knowledge. NEXORA addresses this by offering flexible, personalized, and scalable learning solutions tailored to each organization's needs. We offer a wide range of subscription-based digital courses covering critical areas like cybersecurity, Python, blockchain, and AI. Our platform also includes interactive video modules, case studies, and real-time dashboards. One example of our impact, a retail company used NEXORA to train their staff in online marketing and data analysis, leading to a 20% increase in online sales within just 6 months. NEXORA stands out because we personalize learning journeys by role. For example, finance teams get content focused on automation and visualization, while HR professionals explore analytic tools. This targeted approach makes training more relevant and effective. What makes us different is our integration with LMS and HR system, meaning you don't have to change your current setup. A multinational company used NEXORA to train over 1,000 employees, achieving a 95% course completion rate in 3 months. Lastly, NEXORA's real-time analytics help businesses track progress, identify skill gaps, and adapt their training strategies. A financial firm, for instance, spotted customer service issues and used our platform to deliver refreshers, improving client satisfaction scores. In short, NEXORA doesn't just provide digital courses, we help companies upskill faster, smarter, and with real business impact. Now, let me explain how NEXORA manages its digital supply chain, which is the foundation of our reliable and scalable service. We will start with supplier identification. NEXORA partners with top vendors for learning content, assessment tools, cloud infrastructure, and LMS integration. Using portals like G2, Alibaba, and Clutch, we shortlist companies based on customer reviews, scalability, security, and support. We then conduct trials and demos before signing contracts with those that meet our long-term goals and service level standards. Next, our procurement process is systematic and efficient. It begins by identifying departmental needs like software, video production, or assessment tools. Then, we research the market, invite proposals, and evaluate based on budget, delivery time, and tech compatibility. Once agreed, contracts are signed and KPIs are set to monitor supplier performance. Since we provide digital services, inventory management focuses on physical goods but digital assets. We track content libraries, software license, and access credentials. Our cloud storage via AWS or Azure ensures data is secure, organized, and compliant with the GDPR and PDPA laws. A key tool here is our Digital Inventory Management System or DIMS, which automates tracking and alerts us to expiring license or usage spikes. Lastly, digital delivery is central. Once a client signs up, their platform is personalized and hosted securely on the cloud. Single sign-on access allows employees to log in anytime, anywhere. A case example, NEXORA trained 300 line managers from Johor in just 2 weeks with a 96% success rate, showing how efficient our system is. Even after deployment, we offer full support with live chat, ticket system, and regular client reviews. One KL retail chain improved its staff's soft skills after we updated their training based on quarterly insights. In short, NEXORA's supply chain strategy ensures smooth, scalable, and secure delivery of digital learning. It will make us trusted partner in workforce and upskilling.
Now let's move on with the marketing strategy. A solid strategy helps us attract and convert our audience, specifically businesses, into long-term clients. As explained by Kotler and Keller, it also guides decisions like pricing, promotion, and distribution. At NEXORA, we focus on delivering value, positioning ourselves uniquely in the market, and using a tone that resonates with digitally minded companies. Next is target audience and segmentation. Our main clients are SMEs, startup, government bodies, and corporate HR departments. We segment them by age, company size, industry, and digital readiness. Typically, we target professionals aged 25 to 45 years old, those in charge of training decisions. We also assess their mindset. Companies that actively pursue innovation and technology adoption are a perfect match for NEXORA digital training program. For example, a retail company may need e-commerce training, while a logistics firm might require digital inventory solution. Geographically, we focus on urban technology hubs like Klang Valley, Johor Bahru, and Penang, while also supporting rural businesses through government initiatives. Next is marketing channel. To reach our audience, we use LinkedIn for professional networking, email marketing, and search engine strategies to boost our visibility. Our website is SEO optimized and we share client success stories through blogs, podcasts, and webinars. We also partner with co-working spaces, HR platforms, and digital consultants to expand reach. A CRM system tracks our leads and helps us personalize follow-up. Through analytics like open rate and customer engagement, we continuously refine our campaign. Next is promotion and advertising. NEXORA uses a mix of digital and traditional ads on LinkedIn. We run targeted ads and retarget past visitors. We offer first module free deals, bulk discount, and even certification vouchers to encourage return clients. We align our campaign with national programs like Malaysia's Digital Economy Blueprint and run referral program to bring in new leads. To build credibility, we appear in business magazine and produce testimonial videos to showcase real outcome and client trust. Now on to our revenue model. It describes how we earn income while providing value. Based on Osterwalder and Wigner's framework, our revenue is generated through modular training sale tailored to the needs and budgets of B2B clients. Pricing strategy. We use value-based pricing, meaning prices reflect the impact of our training, such as increased productivity and smoother technology adoption. There are 3 pricing tiers: basic for smaller companies, which is SMEs, standard for more training needs, and premium for full-service clients, including analytic and certification. Promotional offers, early bird discount, and HRDF ties-in make our pricing more accessible and competitive. Next is payment methods and processing. Finally, NEXORA provides secure and flexible payment options like bank transfer, credit card, FPX, and PayPal. For large projects, we use milestone payment to split costs fairly. We even support buy now pay later options for SMEs, ensuring affordability while securing payment through third-party financing. All transaction complies with PCI DSS and GDPR for data protection. Next is forecasted sale and revenue projection. In projecting our revenue, NEXORA anticipates a strong upward trend driven by growing demands for digital skill, supportive government initiative, and increased corporate training budgets. We aim to acquire 100 corporate clients in our first year, generating 500,000 in revenue, with a 30% annual growth rate projected over the next 3 years. By aligning marketing with corporate budget cycles and partnering with HR consultant and government programs, we aim to boost lead conversion. Through performance monitoring and quarterly scenario analysis, we stay responsive to market shift, ensuring long-term revenue stability and sustainable growth.
So we focus on the customer acquisition, which is method to attract the B2B customers. So first, through the SEO, we help our training programs appear in search results using keywords like digital skills and cybersecurity. Second, inbound marketing that attract clients by offering free tools and sample lessons in our website. Third, we use link marketing to connect with decision makers and build trust in our programs. Next, we have referral marketing, which is encourage satisfied clients to recommend us with rewards given for loyalty. So lastly, we focus on website engagement by creating clear module pages that highlight benefit to the visitors. NEXORA marketing strategy work hand in hand with its value proposition, offering hands-on, up-to-date, and customized digital skills training. SEO help companies easily find NEXORA when they search for digital training. Inbound marketing build trust by giving free resources like guides and quizzes. Link showcase real success stories, proving that NEXORA training is tailored, not generic. For the referral marketing, strength trust as a satisfied client recommend NEXORA to others. Together, these strategies highlight NEXORA value and help gain new B2B clients effectively. NEXORA marketing strategy work hand in hand with its value proposition, offering hands-on, up-to-date, and customized digital skills training. SEO help companies easily find NEXORA when they search for digital training. Inbound marketing build trust by giving free resources like guides and quizzes. Link showcase real success stories, proving that NEXORA training is tailored, not generic. For the referral marketing, strength trust as a satisfied client recommend NEXORA to others. Together, these strategies highlight NEXORA value and help gain new B2B clients effectively. So let's focus on the customer retention. To maintain strong B2B relationship, NEXORA focus on trust, relevance, and long-term support. Personalized onboarding ensures each department gets training that fits, like Excel for sales or cybersecurity for HR. We update our content regularly to match involving tools like Canva and Microsoft Office. NEXORA also shares the progress report to show real impact, and each client has a dedicated account manager for tailored support, and feedback from the users is collected through the surveys and focus group. All of this build loyalty and prove NEXORA is a trust and strategic partner. To ensure NEXORA digital training program runs smoothly, we must identify and manage the key risks. Cybersecurity threats like phishing and hacking can exploit private data, while poor data privacy control may lead to the legal issues. Technical problems such as weak internet or system failures can disrupt the learning. Also, use the unlicensed content risk copyright violation. By recognizing these risks early, NEXORA can apply the strong protection, follow the legal requirement, and provide a secure, reliable, and effective learning experience for all users. Finally, to reduce risk, NEXORA starts with a mandatory cybersecurity training for the staff, covering phishing awareness, strong password, and safe file sharing. These two-factor and regular system updates also improve the safety. For data privacy, NEXORA encrypts the personal data, verify user identity, and lets user control their privacy setting. To avoid technical issues, NEXORA uses a reliable platform, offers offline access to the materials, and provides fast support via help desk or chat box. Platforms like Zoom and Google Meets are used together to ensure backup during the system failures.
Now, let's talk about the NEXORA project timeline. First, we start with planning and needs assessment. In this step, we identify the skill gap, define the target group, and decide on the digital tool required. Next, we design the program in the context of program design and content development. This includes creating role-based learning based and content like videos or e-learning module. We'll also set clear key performance indicators to track progress. Then, we move to pilot implementation. Here, we train a small group to monitor any issue and gather feedback to make improvement before the full launch in our project. Next, once the pilot is successful, we launch the full program. In the contact training program launch, this includes scheduling session and providing support through email or Q&A session. After the launch, we evaluate the impact. We survey the participants, assess the outcomes, and update the contents to improve the program's effectiveness. And the final stage, we focus on long-term success, which is integration and sustainability. We continue onboarding, set future goals, and monitor progress through a real-time learning dashboards. In addition, we have the resources allocation and management. What is the resources allocation and management? Resources allocation is a strategy for distributing manpower, material, money, time, and technology. It's ensuring resources are used efficiently to achieve company's goal. And the second one is the benefit to NEXORA. This process brings many benefits to NEXORA. It helps avoid a workload issue, boost productivity, meet deadline, and align effort with our strategy goal. And the third one is the market research is the key to help us understand the demand for digital skill, adapt to new technology, and stay competitive using tools like Canva or Microsoft Office. Next is the human resource management. HRM integrate learning with the workplace culture. It reduces employee turnover and builds a strong and motivated workforce. The point of 5 is financial resource management. Managing financial resources ensures strong cash flow and budgeting. It also helps with planning and support risk management. And finally, technology resources management. This resources management provides the tool we need for learning and allocation. It ensures secure system, smooth operation, and overall project success. Alright, following that, we have monitoring and evaluation. What is the monitoring and evaluation? Monitoring and evaluation help us track progress toward goals and improve our program. It also support continuous improvement by using data to assess effectiveness and set new goals. And the second one is monitoring in practice. We use technology to monitor operation and adapt based on industry needs. Tools like Canva are also used to improve employees' productivity and skill. And the third one is performance tracking. We track things like user behavior, course enrollment, and content engagement. This helps us understand how effective our services are and how to make them better. And the next point is key performance indicators, which is KPI. KPI help us measure success based on goals and outcomes. We can also track progress through quizzes, project, and assessment to identify where we can improve. And the last one is SMART goal. Finally, KPI supports SMART goal, which is a specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This help our company, which is NEXORA, set realistic goals and use resources wisely and effectively. To conclude, NEXORA operates as a digital B2B platform specializing in digital skill training, tailored to the needs of SME, startup, and government-linked organizations across Malaysia. Our core offering include hands-on training in key tools like Microsoft Office, Canva, LAILE, and cybersecurity, or delivered through customized learning program. We focus on personalized course delivery, effective CRM strategy, and targeted marketing effort, while also leveraging credibility platforms like G2. Our goals are clear: to drive operational efficiency, foster innovation, and promote sustainable digital growth. Looking ahead, we aim to implement data-driven onboarding and performance review to continuously enhance learning outcome in our project. Next, for our future goal and expansion opportunities, for future expansion, we see major opportunity in integrating training with onboarding and performance management system. By using data analytics, we can better understand training completion rates, productivity metrics, and overall learning effectiveness. We also plan to expand our curriculum to include emerging technologies such as AI, blockchain, and advanced data analytics. Our goal is to offer industry-specific learning paths and to scale our reach into international market, enhancing our platform with interactive tool and live virtual training will be key to positioning NEXORA as a leader provider of a digital skill in today's evolving workforce.